another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we're going to be taking a look at a women's exclusive. These are the women's USA Dunk Lows. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for all of our amazing membership perks as well as our merch. Sure. Today we're going to be talking about a women's exclusive. These are the USA Dunk Lows, right in time for 4th of July, except that I was not back in time to get these. So bummed because I really wanted to wear these on the 4th when I was in Spain, but I missed out on that. But that's okay. There's many more 4th of Julys to come, but this is definitely the perfect combination color-wise. So we're going to start off with the overview of these, jump into size and fit, followed by how I styled these, and then conclude with how these are currently doing on the resale market. So let's jump right into it. We've got a crisp white leather toe box right here, and then we've got that nice, beautiful pop of blue on the front. Working our way up the upper, we've got nice blue laces, which really hit off of that white mesh tongue. On the top, we've got Nike and the swoosh mark and that nice detailing in blue, which really pops quite nicely. So let's take a look at those details, then move along to the side panels. All right, so working our way to the side panels, we've got beautiful red on the swooshes, and that pops quite nicely off of that smooth white underlay of leather. Working our way to the back, more pops of that blue. We've got Nike embroidered in that blue colorway on the red leather. On the other side, we've got that same red swoosh mark with the white smooth leather, more hits of that nice royal blue tone. And then for the insole, we've got red for the Nike swoosh mark and blue for the insole colorway. On the bottom, the sneaker is completed with a white midsole and that pop of blue for the outsole. Let's take a look at those last and final details. So jumping into size and fit, again, this was a women's exclusive, so this only came in women's sizing. I am a woman's size 9, which I would say stick true to size on this one. I do have high arch, narrow feet, so depending on whether or not you have flat or wider feet, that could also differentiate the size that may work different for you. But if you do have the same type of foot as myself, definitely stick true to size on this one. All right, so now let's jump into styling. I definitely had to play off the red, white, and blue color scheme with this one. Really bummed again, I wasn't able to dress up for 4th with these, but that's all right, because we've still got many more 4th of Julys to come. But for the first look, I decided to wear this Rolling Stone t-shirt just because it had the same complementary colors in it. I tied this in with a denim skirt.
Monday, another week, I can't believe I'm counting down the minutes till it's Tuesday. Another day back on my feet. I'm fighting every minute.
the second look, I decided to wear a all blue maxi dress, which just really hit on pops of blue quite nicely since there is a lot of blue throughout the sneaker.
We go dive, Saturday we ride, Sunday party, and let's call it a perfect weekend. Friday we go dive, Saturday we ride, Sunday party, and let's call it a perfect weekend. Wednesday, and I can't wait to get away. I'm counting down the minutes till it's Thursday. I'm holding.
And then for the last and final look, I wore a plaid blue skirt with a houndstooth sweater and a nice blue colorway that really matched this blue again to the T.
Till the weekend, so I can live it up and do it all again and again. Friday we go dive, Saturday we ride, Sunday party, and let's call it a perfect weekend. Friday we go dive, Saturday we ride, Sunday party, and let's call it a perfect weekend.
So you let me know down below what was your favorite look out of the three, or how would you style these? Now let's conclude with how these are currently doing on the resale market. So these retailed at $100, which is a great price point, and they're currently going between $115 to $200. Larger sizes are doing a little bit better and are selling at just a much higher price point. All right, that's it for this unboxing and review. If you joined us here for the first time, thank you so much. Hit that subscribe on your way out. If you have not already, give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. This is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We'll catch you all next episode.